Hello children, how are you? Today we will continue with the chapter subtraction. In previous video we had learned regrouping in subtraction. Children, in subtraction we need regrouping when subtrahend is greater than the minuend. Subtrahend आपको पता है छोटा नंबर होता है and minuend is the bigger number. तो जब subtrahend बड़ा हो, नीचे वाला नंबर बड़ा हो और minuend मीन्स ऊपर वाला नंबर छोटा हो, तब हमें regrouping की जरूरत पड़ती है. In subtraction we need regrouping when subtrahend is greater than the minuend. Now first of all we will learn to regroup tens to ones. Tens और ones को कैसे regroup करते हैं वो सीखेंगे. When the minuend does not have enough ones, we regroup 110 as 10 ones and add them to the ones. जब minuend आपका small है और subtrahend big है, मीन्स आपको छोटे नंबर में से बड़ा नंबर माइनस करना है, तो उस केस में हम क्या करते हैं, हम रीग्रुप करते हैं 110 को 10 वंस में. 110 इज इक्वल टू 10 वंस, तो 110 को हम 10 वंस बनाते हैं और उसको हम वंस में ऐड कर देते हैं. लेट अस अंडरस्टैंड इट विद द हेल्प ऑफ एन एग्जांपल. सपोज वी आर गिवन द नंबर 24 एंड हाउ विल वी रीग्रुप 24? First of all, let's write its expanded form. 24 की पहले हम expanded form लिखेंगे and expanded form of 24 is 2 tens plus 4 ones. Now we will regroup them. 2 tens को हमने जब regroup करना है तो हम उसमें से 1 tens निकाल के 10 ones में convert कर देंगे. So we will be left with 1 10 only. 2 tens में से जब हमने 1 10 ले लिया तो 1 10 ही बचेगा ना. एंड जो 1 10 हमने रीग्रुप के लिए निकाला है, जिसको हमने 10 वंस में चेंज किया है, उसको हम 4 वंस में ऐड करेंगे. सो 10 वंस एंड 4 वंस विल बिकम 14 वंस. सो 24 विल बी रीग्रुप्ड एज 110 प्लस 14 वंस. 24 में से सपोज आपने कोई नंबर माइनस करना है, सपोज आपने 16 माइनस करना है, तो 4 में से 6 माइनस नहीं हो सकते, इसलिए हमें रीग्रुप करना पड़ेगा. 2 से 1 बोरो करेंगे और वो जो 1 बोरो किया है वो जब हम 4 में ऐड करेंगे तो 1 10 बोरो किया था, दैट मीन्स 10 वंस. 10 वंस प्लस 4 14, तो 14 वंस बन जाएंगे आपके. ठीक है, तो अब आप इसमें से 16 इजीली माइनस कर सकते हो. Next number is 86. We will regroup 86, but before that we will write its expanded form, that is 8 tens plus 6 ones. Now 8 tens and 6 ones will be regrouped as 7 tens plus 16 ones, क्योंकि 8 में से 1 हमने borrow किया 6 के लिए और 6 बन गया 16. Now next number is 93. 93 is equal to 9 tens plus 3 ones. This is its expanded form. And when we will regroup 93, it will become 8 tens plus 13 ones. Let's learn to regroup hundreds to ones. जैसे हमने टेंस और वंस को रीग्रुप किया है, सेम वे वी विल लर्न टू रीग्रुप हंड्रेड्स एंड टेंस. व्हेन द minuend डज नॉट हैव इनफ टेंस. अब टेंस प्लेस पर अगर नंबर ऊपर छोटा है नीचे बड़ा है, देन इन दैट केस वी विल रीग्रुप 100 एज 10 tens and we will add it to the tens. For example, we have 310 and we will write first of all its expanded form to understand it, and it will be expanded as 300s plus 110. 310 will be expanded as 300s plus 110. And now we will regroup it. तो उसमें 3 में से हमें 1 लेके 110 में ऐड करना होगा. तो 300 will become 200s and 110 will become 10 plus 1, 11 tens. Right? Now next number is 570. First of all, we will write its expanded form and it will be written as 500s plus 7 tens. And it will be regrouped as 400s plus 17 tens. 400s plus 17 tens. Next number is 240. Now 240's expanded form will be 200s plus 4 tens and it will be regrouped as 100s plus 14 tens. Right? Today we will learn subtracting 2-digit numbers with regrouping and subtracting 3-digit numbers with regrouping. First of all, we will learn subtracting 2-digit numbers with regrouping. Our question is subtract the following numbers with regrouping, and we are going to learn it with the help of examples. And A part is 70 minus 39. Now we need to regroup 70 because 0 minus 9 is not possible. So we will regroup 70, and for that, if we think expanded form of 70, it is 7 tens and 0 ones. And after regrouping, what will we get? We will get 6 tens and 10 ones. 6 tens and 10 ones. Now we will subtract ones first. 10 minus 9 is 1, and after that we will subtract tens. 6 minus 3 is 3. So 70 minus 39 is equal to 31. Our next example is 54 minus 25. Now 4 minus 5 is again not possible. So we will regroup 54. So 54's expanded form is 5 tens and 4 ones. And when we will regroup it, we will get 4 tens and 14 ones. So now we will subtract 5 from 14. 14 minus 5 is 9 and 4 minus 2 is 2. So 54 minus 25 is 29. Now C part is 76 minus 28. Now 6 minus 8 is not possible. You know it. We cannot subtract bigger number from a smaller number. So we will regroup 76. And 76 in expanded form is written as 7 tens and 6 ones. So 7 tens and 6 ones will be regrouped as 6 tens and 16 ones. Now at ones place we have 16 and 8. 16 minus 8 is 8, and in tens place we have 6 and 2. 6 minus 2 is 4. So 76 minus 28 is 48. Now next we will learn how to arrange the numbers in columns and then subtract. So our question is arrange the following in columns and subtract. A is 19 from 68. We have to subtract 19 from 68. And for this, first of all, we will arrange these numbers. And remember, while subtracting, always write the bigger number first and you will write next the smaller number. We will write the bigger number on the top and smaller number in the bottom. So, सबसे पहले हम 68 लिखेंगे, उसके नीचे लिखेंगे 19. Now, 8 is at ones place and under it we have written 9. So 8 minus 9 is not possible. So we will regroup 68. And 68 is written in expanded form as 6 tens and 8 ones. And when we will regroup it, we will get 5 tens and 18 ones. Now we will subtract 9 from 18. 18 minus 9 is equal to 9. And at tens place we have 5 and 1. So 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. So 68 minus 19 is equal to 49. Next example is subtract 47 from 90. So first of all we will arrange these numbers in columns because 90 is the bigger number. So we will write 90 first and after that we will write 47. So we will arrange them in the columns of tens and ones, and at ones place we have 0 and 7. So 0 minus 7 is not possible. So we will regroup 90. And 90 will be regrouped as 8 tens and 10 ones. Now we will subtract ones place first and digits there are 10 and 7. 10 minus 7 is 3. Now we will subtract tens place and digits there are 8 and 4. 8 minus 4 will be 4. So 90 minus 47 is equal to 43. And next example is subtract 43 from 61. Now 61 is bigger number, so we will write it first and next we will write 43. Now digit at ones place are 1 and 3. 1 minus 3 is not possible. So we will regroup 61 as 5 tens and 11 ones. Now we can subtract 3 from 11. 11 minus 3 is 8 and in tens place digits are 5 and 4. 5 minus 4 is 1. So 61 minus 43 is equal to 18. Next we will learn subtracting 3-digit numbers with regrouping. Question is subtract the following. A part is 465 minus 247. Now 5 minus 7 is not possible, so we will need to regroup 465 and it will be regrouped as 4 hundreds, 5 tens and 15 ones. Now we can subtract it easily. Digits at ones place are 15 and 7. So 15 minus 7 is 8. Now in tens place we have 5 and 4. 5 minus 4 is 1. And digits in hundreds place are 4 and 2. 4 minus 2 is 2. So 465 minus 247 is equal to 218. Now B part is 607 minus 235. Now we can subtract 7 and 5, but we cannot subtract 0 and 3. So we will need to regroup 607 as 5 hundreds, 10 tens and 7 ones. Now we will subtract these numbers. 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. 10 minus 3 is equal to 7 and 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. So you can see we have subtracted ones place first. Next we have subtracted tens place. And finally we had subtracted hundreds place. Now our last example for today is 854 minus 395. We will subtract ones first, but 4 minus 5 is not possible. So we will regroup 854 and it will be regrouped as 7 hundreds, 14 tens and 14 ones because 4 minus 5 was not possible. 5 minus 9 was not possible, so we needed to regroup all the 3 digits. So 854 is regrouped as 7 hundreds, 14 tens and 14 ones. Now we can subtract easily. First of all, we will subtract ones place and digits. There are 14 minus 5, that is equal to 9. In tens place, 14 minus 9, which is equal to 5. And in hundreds place, 7 minus 3, which is equal to 4. So 854 minus 395 is equal to 459. So children, that's all for today. I hope you understood the concept well, and please do a lot of practice. Thank you.